Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. We're a local RV dealer in Piqua, Ohio, but we actually sell nationwide, and there's various reasons for that. One is our reputation. If you want to check that out, stop this video, push pause, you can come back to it. It'll be on YouTube and Facebook, but just push pause and go to Google, type in Paul Sherry RVs. There you'll find our reputation on the right through our reviews. Also, you'll find our website, which will have all of our units on there with pictures and videos of most of them, along with some of the best pricing that you will see in the industry, all here at one place with the industry's top brands for sale. We actually shop constantly, making sure that we have the top products that the industry has to offer right here at one place for you to shop. And the unit behind me is one of them. So this is exciting. This is a brand new product. It's called the Forest River Rogue. It's an offshoot from the Forest River Vengeance that we have carried for years, and now they've kind of taken the product in a new direction and they're calling it the Rogue. And I'm excited to show you today. This is a brand new floor plan. It's a 29KS. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna do a little bit of demonstration. This is a 2020 model year, but this trailer is what the 2021s are going to look like. So I like to call this a 2020 and a half. And why I mention that is if you're looking for the newest of new, but want to save some money, look at one of these 2020 and a halves. We have probably over half our lot are 2020 and a halves because we turn our inventory really quick. And what that means is you can save a lot of money from the 2021s on buying these 2020 and a halves. This is part of the Forest River lineup, comes with gel coat exterior, which is a nice option that are on these Rogues. What that means is the fiberglass out here has a nice thick, probably the thickest I've seen gel coat sidewalls. And what that means is you don't see the individual fibers on the sidewalls. That allows it to look good longer, and it's so much easier to clean. This is a one slide toy hauler travel trailer. It does come prepped with a spot to put an own generator here. The fuel lines and appropriate wiring are already there. Nice big slide room on this. 2 axles, and it comes standard with the alloy wheels. They're really nice wheels there. They're going to look good for years to come. They're not your cheap metal painted wheels. So that's nice. Does come with the party deck. I don't have that set up. I wanted to show you the ramp because I like this. On travel trailers, sometimes they sit up so tall that the approach is so steep. I don't know how you would ever drive a motorcycle up into it, but this has a nice gentle approach coming up into the garage. And one thing that helps that on this particular travel trailer toy hauler is the dovetail here. So the rear, I don't know, probably 3-4 foot of this trailer actually starts to slope down. You can kind of see it as you look along the wall there. That allows for a nice gentle approach as you come up and drive your toy up into the rear garage of this trailer. And of course, this does have the party deck like I mentioned, so you can hook those 2 airplane cables that I've got hung up onto the ramp door here. They actually hook right into these brackets here. And then these walls that we see here will fold around and create a nice party deck. I've shown that many times in my videos, so make sure you check those out. This does have the power awning. I've got out just part way. It's an adjustable power awning with the built-in LED light strip. One thing I like here as well, and I don't mention this much, but it has the black on black fabric, meaning it's black on top and black on the bottom. If you've ever been around a used RV, you notice that the underside of the awning always turns black anyway, so it's nice having it black already so it doesn't look dirty. Comes with a built-in fuel station here. That'll have your pump back there. I apologize not having the key there, but what you do here, you fill your fuel up here, and then it'll have a built-in pump so you can pump your toys up. A lot of people appreciate that if they use a specific type of gasoline in their toys, so that's nice to have. Or if you're kind of camping where there's no gas station nearby, that is another nice benefit. Does come with the More Ride step above steps. It's a 3-entry step here. Now this trailer does have 2 entry doors. This is going to be your main entry into the kitchen and garage. Again, this is the 29KS. got the RV of the year this past year in the top RV debut. So the industry's really excited for this product. There's been a lot of chatter about it. We've had quite a few in, and truthfully, they've sold really fast. Some outside storage up here. There's your table there for the back couches. All right, let's jump inside. So coming in the garage, we'll start here because I did some measurements here, and I think it's going to be important for you. So typically in toy hauler travel trailers, your garage space is kind of a little bit different. I did get a couple measurements here. So from the rear along this door entry side all the way to this cabinet is going to be 15 foot 10 inches. That's 15 foot 10 inches. So that's your longest point here. Now on this opposite side, we have a slide room. So right here, this fascia board, this slide room is going to come in about 2.5 feet. So from that slide room wall to the back end is going to be 10 foot. I wrote this down. It's 10 foot 6 inches. Now, just hold a second here. It's still 15 foot 10 inches up to this cabinet where the kitchen countertop is. And what they've done in this is really unique. Is they have actually took the floor of the slide room. So if you have a big side-by-side and a big wheel sitting here, and that slide room is going to come in on your side-by-side. Well, if your wheel is sticking out on this particular trailer, it has a nice feature because the floor, I don't know if this camera, if that'll show it well, but the floor of this slide room actually comes up. So when this slide room's in, of course you won't see daylight, but you'll be able to have your wheel sitting right there in that section. So if you have more questions on that, by all means call us and we'll explain that. But that's a feature I've seen on fifth wheels several times, but never in a travel trailer. And I really appreciate that. And if you have a bigger vehicle, you will as well. There is 9 tie downs that we see here in the floor. They're nicely spaced. This does have 2 couches that fold up against the wall as I have here. And it does have the extra bed up top here. Now this is the new manual bed. I really appreciate it. Unfortunately, with the camera in my hand, I can't show you, but basically you pull down on the rear end and then you pull down on the front end and the bed is set up. What's really nice about that compared to the Happy Jack system, which we've seen for years, is it's easy to set up. You don't need battery power. If you ever ran those Happy Jacks, you know you have your 4 pins and you gotta have power, and it's kind of complicated to run. This is super easy. I can run it, so I like that. All right, coming up here, that's pretty much covers the toy part. Do have a nice big bay window off to the side here. And then I have the couch folded up against the wall because I wanted to show you that slide room floor. But there is a couch there. And then we get into our kitchen. Now our kitchen comes with really cool inserts in the glass in the doors here. Glass inserts in all these doors. Really is nice. Adds for a nice stylish effect here. It does have the new Furrion 10.3 cubic foot refrigerator. So that's at least 3 cubic foot bigger than anything we've seen in the RV industry that fits in that spot. That fits in the same spot as your typical RV refrigerator, but it's 3 cubic foot bigger, and it's 100% 12 volts, so you'll be able to run this on battery power wherever you're at. So when you're traveling down the road, of course you have battery power. When you're plugged in at the campsite, of course you've got battery powered. And then if you want even more battery power for boondocking or things like that, this is actually prepped for solar up on the roof. But nice kitchen here. Another cool thing this year I like is these zebra blinds. So these blinds will let in a lot of light or as little light as you want. And they're really innovative. I like them. Easy to use. Probably one of the easier blind systems that I have seen. All new countertops for this year. As you can see here, it's the seamless countertops. Comes with the countertop extension there that goes over the sink. Now this sink is a new material that I personally haven't seen before, but I guess it's really popular in new homes. I guess there just haven't been any new homes lately, but it's the black stainless tub there for your sink and the faucet. So it really looks good. I like it. One thing I really liked about it, it doesn't show the scratches so much. If you have a stainless sink, you know how easy it scratches up. So I'm not seeing that on this black stainless as much as I do the normal stainless. But good sized countertop. It's nice and deep. Has a couple power outlets here for maybe your toaster, your coffee maker there. And then here is going to be your 3-burner residential style stove. Now that's going to be a gas stove top there, all 3 burners. And then your oven is as well going to be gas. So it's nice to cook with gas. And then you have your pantry off to the right of that. A lot of pantry space in this. So backing up, just to kind of get our bearings again. So that's the kitchen. We have 2 doors, one to the right, one to the left. The one to the right will go in first. This is the bathroom. And there's 2 entrances to the bathroom, either through this door or through that door, which that door is coming from the bedroom. So you have all in one bathroom, sink, medicine cabinet, stand-up shower, a stool, and then a good footprint here. A decent amount of room to, if you were to get changed in here, you could do it. Coming into the bedroom through this door now, this is going to feature your king bed up front here. So nice big bed, wardrobes on both sides. This trailer is what they consider a wide body trailer. So it's going to be wider than your typical travel trailer. That's how they're able to fix this king bed inside of here. LED lighting in this. And then one thing I really appreciate is this extra door. This door is going to be your second door, your secondary door, which is just nice if maybe guests are sleeping back there on the couches and the I don't want to say happy jack, but the bed system back there. You can go in and out this door without bugging them. Other thing I appreciate about this trailer is the ceiling height. Really nice and tall. I'm 6 foot tall, and I can have my arms stretched all the way out and just barely touch the ceiling. So nice tall ceilings here, over 7 foot tall. Really makes for a nice feel inside of this travel trailer. So that completes this video of this brand new Rogue 29KS. If you have any questions, by all means, let us know. And also, the reason we do this videos is to inform you what's new out in the industry, but also to ask you for the opportunity to earn your business. So if you're in the market for an RV or know someone who is, by all means, we'd love to have an opportunity to earn your business. So thanks for watching. I'll post links below that has our contact information, current pricing on this unit, pictures, all that good jazz. Remember, we do have financing available here at the dealership with approved credit. Even if your credit's bad, we've had really good success of getting customers approved who maybe had challenges with their credit in the past. So I'm not saying that's everyone, but a lot of people we do. Also, if your credit's perfect, rates are really good right now. We've actually seen them come down, which we haven't seen in a couple of years. So check that out. If you're looking to upgrade, we want your trade. We are an RV dealer, and we do check your trade, which sounds like, well, yeah, you should. But actually, some RV dealers don't, I guess. So news to me. But we take them, and we'd love to have it. Thanks for watching.